I'm Maile Collmer, business consultant. I help business owners and salespeople with better leadership, better communication, and better collaboration, and really help with their character so that they can have the confidence to live their vision and have the tools and the business relationships to do so. One of my most fun and interactive workshops that I do, and very well requested, is called Room Full of Referrals. And today my guest is Rebecca Walker. She is one of the owners of Cambiati Wellness Programs in Lafayette. They do specific, just amazing programs that are unique and designed specific to each individual who walks through their doors, and they make it doable. And I just wanted to have Rebecca on to share her experience. Now, Rebecca has taken Room Full of Referrals a number of times and really has done a lot to implement what she's learned in her business. So, Rebecca, would you share with us, what are some of those things that you learned and you've implemented that help your business be more successful?
So I cannot say how much I love this program enough. It is my absolute favorite training that Asentiv does. It really helped me not only take my business to the next level, but it's helped my staff to be happier. And the way that we did that is I attended the first time and really felt like I got a lot of great information, but attending my second time was when I really started to deepen my knowledge and my understanding and being able to implement it. And what I realized was that I needed to attract the right personality style to my business. And the way that I realized I needed to do that was by taking the Room Full of Referrals training and implementing it. And that meant changing my marketing. So that meant changing content. That also meant changing colors. And it also extends to how I interact with my staff and I assign clients. So what we realized is to get happier staff and successful clients was that if we understood their personality types, that we could actually match them with the appropriate nutritionist to get them the best results possible. And we found that it was better for everyone involved. And we also discovered that it helped us from a sales perspective. So I want to close more deals. And that means understanding how someone interacts and being able to look across the room and know exactly what type of person is walking through my doors, how to talk to them, what my pace should be like, maybe what words I should use, how I should interact with them from a nonverbal standpoint as well. And all of that was really powerful. And I work with my staff to train them on how to do these same types of things. So I not only attended the trainings, but I bought the book and spent a lot of time interacting with it. And I think it is so powerful. You cannot miss this opportunity to take this training.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. It sounds like you really, not just in how you interact with your staff or your clients, but you used it on the verbiage of how you attract your clients in all of your marketing areas. And then also just really implement it at a high level. Of course, you do nothing but the highest level in your business. And is there anything else that you want to share about how you've implemented in your business, or anything that you want to say to someone who might be looking at attending the program?
Yeah, so I would say I actually have a degree in communication, which means I specialize in small group communication, and I still learn from this program. I think it's so incredibly powerful, and if you do one business training this year, I believe that this is the training that you should do. And I really strongly encourage everyone to take this, because no matter what your personality style is, it can help you to understand yourself, it can help you to understand others, and the more successful you are at that, the more successful you're going to be in your business. So I'm really passionate about compelling people to do this program, and I hope that you'll take this opportunity to come to Maile's training, because it is an opportunity not to be missed.
Thank you, Rebecca.
Yeah, you're so welcome.
So for more information on Room Full of Referrals and my other programs, coaching, speaking, consulting, all the wonderful things I do, you can go to my website, contracosta.asentiv.com, and I'm sure there'll be more information in the supporting information. Great to see you today.